Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So I've been working on some projects and I wanted to share them with you. I made a loaded envelope for my girlfriend's birthday. So I wanted to show you, it's filled up right now, and then I'll show you what I made here. So this is the loaded envelope. It is that beautiful paper by Stamperia. It's gorgeous, gorgeous paper, and since it had all the flowers and everything, thought it would lend itself to some lace. So I didn't want to overdo it with the lace. There's just a little bit throughout the thing, and there's double pocket, so it's a little stuffed here. So here, I guess there isn't. I got some gemstones here, and then I have some little pearl flatbacks. So that's one pocket, and then there's another pocket here. In the back, I have a package of rhinestones and some sewing room buttons, and then a package of the Waverly Fat Quarters. So there it is, so that you can see it. And I will, let's see, so I put this trim on here, and as you can see, this is a double pocket. And then I put more lace, put lace with this trim. This is separate. This pearl trim is separate. I think I have some, nope, I don't. I guess I put it away. So this is separate, and then this is separate. So I just layered them. And then I had these roses, which are beautiful. And then I had more of this flat. So this is this. So this is doubled. Here, it's doubled. And then I made these flowers with a die from AliExpress and with book paper. And then I put some pearls. These were just round pearl from the Dollar Tree, and then a little flat back pearl. And then I had this little trim that I cut apart and put here. So that's that. And I had this little applique, and I just think it's so pretty and soft, and it's so beautiful. And there you go. It's a deep pocket, so you could actually fill. I could actually make put this anyway. See how deep it is. So you can put a lot down there. I'm not sure exactly if I'm just gonna go ahead and put that back or not, but I just wanted to show you that beautiful loaded envelope. Okay, so I made that. And then if you guys want to know how to make this, I will put a link below of the girl that I followed. She did a very basic loaded envelope, and that's what I did. And I did I decided to put a strip of the red line tape here so that I could make it a double envelope instead of just gluing it all down to a single envelope. So I'm sorry, pocket, so that I could have two pockets. So there's that. And I use mostly my Beacon 3-in-1 that I like to use for fabric. Up here I did use this one, which is the art glitter glue, which I normally use it on paper. So these have art glitter glue, or anything else with like lace. I like my 3-in-1. So there's that. And then I also sewed this, and so this is a rug mug. And what a rug mug is, if you don't know, is you put your drink on one side, and then you put your snack on the other side. Or you could put your drink here, put your snack here, and it's like a little placemat for your snack. So I did that. I did that yesterday. It's not perfect. It's red, white, and blue and fabric. They're a little wonky, but it's okay. It's not bad. I mean, you know, it's cute. And on the back, I did this red heart fabric that I had in my stash. Everything I had in my stash. This is called Quilt As You Go. So you put one down, and then you sew the next one, lift it up, sew the next one, and so forth. And then I did this one the same way. So that's how I did that. And I made the edges. I think this was 1.5 inch, and then fold it over so it makes about 1/4 of an inch. And then I have to get all this fuzz off. And then on this side, I hand sewed it all the way down, because I'm not great at doing the machine stitch and it not showing up on the other side. So I don't like that. So I just rather something small like this, just sit and watch TV and sew it. But it is quilted, and I think it'll make a cute little gift. So that's that. And I think that's it for today, guys. I will, again, I will have the tutorial that I followed for making this loaded envelope. And it's been a while since I made a loaded envelope, but I think it's really cute. And I'm going to fill it, and then this will go out in the mail pretty soon. And as you guys know, I did this too, the birthday thing, so that's going to be all together. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm relaxing, trying to clean my room, my craft room, doing a little crafting, and then getting back to putting away the stuff in my craft room. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.